What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen, and we're at Walmart. We're at like another theme park Walmart, if you guys haven't seen. Anyways, so yes, I have my makeup done only because I did my eyebrows. And listen, my eyebrows, I just got them done. They're like the ombre, like kind of microblading eyebrows, and without my lashes and my eyeliner I look a little weird. So they will be a lot lighter than this, but I'm just trying to adjust, trying to complete the look. Anyways, we are at Walmart. This Walmart on Brickseek shows that there's a lot of great deals, mainly because it is like tourist town, which I already see like a lot of clearance stickers now. So it is like tourist town, so you know, a lot of people don't even realize about clearance here. Let's see what we can find and I will let you guys know. We officially found our very first hidden clearance. So I was in the regular shaving section, but then I turned the corner and I was like, holy mother load. So these here, they retail to about $9-10, and they're on clearance for $1.75. Look at all these. $1.75. And then we have the refill, which is on clearance for $1.90, and the refill also retails to $10. So we have 90% off shaving items. And then I'm kind of noticing that they're doing a lot of markdowns, so I'm just gonna try to stick around here waiting for my husband to come because I need to put all these in my cart. I'm not gonna grab all of them, but I am gonna stock up because it's very hard for me, especially now that like couponing is like so depleting lately, that I need razors. So for $1 and they're refillable, I am not going to complain at all. Over by the body wash, there is a lot on clearance, and I'm kind of mad that I kind of missed out because look at these prices, guys. 99 cents, $1.79, 58 cents, 44 cents, 24 cents. Anyways, so there's a lot on clearance here. I'm checking Ibotta to see if there's any Ibotta offers, to see if maybe one of them are free. I am going to check these two because it's like Peppermint Path and Winter Walk. That should be marked down, but it's not marked down. And it also looks like that they did these markdowns today. Actually, the other day, the 4th. Today is the 5th. So yesterday, actually last night, they did these markdowns. It did not pop up on Brickseek, but I'm here now and I'm going to keep on lingering in the area. I do see a couple ladies marking down the toothpaste and deodorant section, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over there next. But there's a lot, so it's starting. This is the first store that I've seen all these prices this low, so if your store has not done these markdowns yet, they will. It just takes time and patience. So Old Spice, a lot. Over by the baby section, so this is priced at $50, but nope, this was actually on Brickseek and I was going crazy looking for it. I couldn't find it over here, but they have it here in the little middle aisle. And it's actually on clearance for $25. So $25 for this one here. Again, I don't know what the normal price is because Brickseek does show like it's like 100 and something normally. So I don't know if $50 was like another clearance, and then it went back down to $25. So this is a little baby thingy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Here is the barcode for that. More baby clearance. I told you guys that the whole baby department kind of goes on clearance around February and March. This store kind of has like a little head start. Tomorrow is Sunday though, so I will probably be back out in the stores tomorrow because there's a lot of markdowns that happen during Sundays and Mondays. So, but I'm out today because I saw how wonderful this store was. So I was like, well, it's worth the drive. So we have this car seat here, which I kind of bought one similar last year also, but I bought it for $15. This one is the Even Flow Nurture. It's pink. And guess what, guys? It was, look, $60. And now it is $20. $20 for that. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the barcode. I'm pretty sure with the barcode you can pick up the other colors. I don't know if the other colors are also on clearance, but the pink one is coming up as $20 from my location. We are at another Walmart. I've never been to this Walmart, and I am like in the depths of Kissimmee. If you guys are local, I'm in Kissimmee. And I've never been to this Walmart, but it shows also that Brickseek has a lot of great clearances at the store, so hopefully we can find some. Fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. This store hasn't really started their Bath and Body clearance, but I kind of memorized what was on clearance at the other store that had empty shelves. So for an example, this one here, it retails to $5.97, which is the Olay. It's like a nighttime rinse off body conditioner, has retinol in it, and it's on clearance for $1.75. So I'm gonna grab one just to try it out. I don't know, my skin is very super sensitive, so we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to remember what other ones. I'll probably have to go back through my video what I already filmed, but I know one of these were on clearance. Some of these do have the clearance prices on them and they're cheaper. Like this one, for example, it shows $3.37 and it's actually on clearance for $2.49 or $2.47, I think. There was other ones, but they're not all tagged, so I'm gonna have to like go through this whole section, and my phone's on like 20%, so let's hope for the best. Alrighty, y'all, we are at the clearance section and holy clearance section. So there's a lot of those. There is so many of these. So this Instapot here, which retails to $134, is on clearance for $30. The store has a whole bunch. I'm not gonna buy any because I don't need it. I already have an Instapot. This one here, I'm having trouble rescanning. I have a feeling it went down lower because just looking at the tag, this one was last marked down January 25th. And then this one also January 25th. It's not popping up. Maybe it's also like $30 or $50. I'm not sure. It's not popping up on BrickSeek, and I'm having issues right now. This one here, this is the instant. This is like the air fryer Vortex Plus. You can have a whole chicken in it. Shows it was 120, got marked down to 80, and now it's $30. So there's $30 this one. And then this one also is $30. This one's another one that I wish I can check the price of because it is not popping up either, but I have a feeling that it's a lot cheaper than $25. I want to say it's probably like, $50. It's probably like $25 to be honest with you, but I have no way of scanning it unless I go to the front and ask them to scan it for me, which I might, just because I want to see how much it is, and I'm very curious to see how much it is. This one over here, I scanned it and it is, I think, $60. I'll post a little screenshot here. I think it was $60 though, from 90. I think it was originally 120 from 90, and then now $60. This one is still the same. They have a lot of other stuff here. So at this location, they haven't done their other markdowns for the razors. So the razors, if you find any razors, they're a lot cheaper than what it shows on the tag. A lot of other items that I scanned were cheaper. Totally forgot what it was. Yeah, there's a lot of clearance at this location, so I'm kind of happy that I took the drive out. I'm like 45 minutes away from my house and I found a lot, so that's good. That's what happens when you venture out. That's why I always tell you guys, don't be scared of venturing out because it will be worth it in the long run, I promise. These here, I believe they're normally 20. I don't know why it says 49. They probably just put a pallet here and they didn't change the price, but they're normally $20 and they're on clearance for $7.50. It's funny because BrickSeek shows that they were on clearance for $15, but when I scanned it, they're actually $7.50. Over by the baby section, there's a lot on clearance here. So I found this Fisher Price. It is 99, well, it was $99 and it's now $30. It is like a bassinet type of thing, and this location has quite a few there. And then there's also a whole bunch of clearance stuff over here. Those are 21. I think I've shown you guys those already at different locations. They were 21. This one over here is 80. Car seat 25, 21. There's quite a few here. These I found actually last year for $35. Again, I told you guys, if you need it right now, buy it. If not, you can wait. It'll be going down to like $35. 150, 21. I filmed a whole outro for y'all and my phone died. And I'm so mad because I said so much and I don't remember what I said. Anyways, I am leaving this Walmart empty-handed. I saved money. Save money with Shy. Do what Shy does and don't spend no money. Don't buy anything. Anyway, so what I was trying to mention was I've noticed there's a lot of resellers at these two locations. Again, I kind of feel weird stepping out of my boundaries, like out of my zone, whenever I do go to different locations, like different Walmarts that I've never ever been before, because technically these are kind of like, that's their turf sort of way, but it is what it is. I'm not a reseller and I don't care if you do resell. that's your living. I make videos and post on Instagram for a living, and that's how I get my money. So you get your money a certain way, I get my money a certain way. So there is no judgment whatsoever. I do notice that whenever I do go to the stores, I don't know if it's the people that know me, they follow me, they've heard of me or something. I don't know, but I do get like some like weird vibe and some weird looks whenever I'm around them, like especially when I'm scanning like right next to them. And I'm not trying to scan to like buy 10 of them. I don't care what you do. I'm just trying to get content so I can show you guys so that you guys can go and check your stores for certain items. There was like a Paw Patrol bedroom set thing for toddlers, and I think it was retail to like $100, and it was on clearance for $20. So they had like 10 of them in their cart. Like I said, no shame in their game. I do not care. I don't care. I'm not here to judge. But I did want to film that for you guys, but I was just like, just the whole vibe. I wasn't going to go up to them like kind of how I did to my other follower that I saw at a different location. I wasn't trying to like, you know, budge into their, you know, bubble or whatever. But anyways, you guys, don't forget to check your stores. Like I mentioned, February is great for health and beauty clearance and baby clearance. So if you're expecting, definitely hit up your Walmart, because there is a lot that's going to be on clearance in the next coming weeks, or even this week coming up too. Anyways, you guys, I'm blabbering a little bit too much. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell to make sure that you are notified whenever I do post new videos. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I love y'all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you. Bye.